Two web hosting giants, Bluehost and GoDaddy, go head-to-head in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, we have Bluehost, affordability meets performance for WordPress and small businesses. On the right, GoDaddy, the all-in-one host built for scalability as your site grows. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's how we're gonna do this. We're comparing these two by price and value, performance, security, ease of use, customer support, features, and scalability. Got all that? Awesome, let's get into the details. Okay, first up, price and value. So Bluehost comes in hot with lower entry prices, starting around $1.99 a month if you catch that sale. Plus you get free SSL and CDN, which honestly is seriously refreshing. There are a few add-ons that cost extra if you get ambitious, but hidden fees, not really a thing here. GoDaddy, on the other hand, yeah, there's a big menu of plans which can be cool at first. But some free stuff like SSL or even backups may not be included unless you fork out more. They do give you a free domain your first year, so that's nice, but those hidden costs definitely sneak in. So for price, Bluehost is your best bet. Performance, alright, Bluehost is reliable, no question. If you're running a small or medium site, it keeps things smooth even when people are poking around. But hit a big traffic spike and you might notice the slowdown. GoDaddy? Yo, when it comes to handling traffic, especially on premium plans, it's a powerhouse. You'll get faster load speeds and it just chugs along with all that simultaneous traffic. The catch? Lower plans don't flex that muscle as much. But still, GoDaddy wins for raw performance muscle. Next, security. So Bluehost gives you free SSL across the board and some basic DDoS protection. Automatic backups, only on higher tiers, and if you need to restore something, they can charge you, which is not my favorite. GoDaddy gives free daily backups regardless of your plan, which is actually awesome. DDoS protection is there, but if you go for the cheap plan, SSL can cost extra. And overall, both keep it kinda basic, neither is next level on the security front. So yeah, we have a tie. Wait, side note, did you know GoDaddy is literally the world's largest domain registrar, while Bluehost powers over 2 million websites all around the globe? Kind of wild when you think about it. Ease of use, hey, let's be real, not everyone is a tech wizard. Bluehost is super beginner-friendly, the dashboard is clean, everything is right where you want it, and you even get a launch checklist for WordPress, which, love that. cPanel is baked in, too. GoDaddy? It's intuitive and comes with a ton of tutorials, but they do like to upsell, and honestly, I think beginners aren't getting as many handholds. A Bluehost wins for keeping things chill and easy. Moving on, customer support. Bluehost brings 24/7 live chat and phone support, plus helpful FAQs and email. Never feels like you're on your own. GoDaddy's got 24/7 support too and a community forum, so that's solid. There's text support and all, but live chat? Yeah, it can be iffy sometimes and people have mixed opinions about how quick things get fixed. Bluehost wins this round for just being there when you need them. Features time, Bluehost gives you free website migration and WordPress staging, which can save so much hassle. You get unmetered bandwidth, a free domain, and email hosting. Just keep in mind, not all plans get daily backups. GoDaddy's daily backups are included on all plans and you get a free domain most of the time, but some entry-level stuff misses out on staging sites and you might have to pay extra for email hosting. So if you want features that make life easy, it's gotta be Bluehost. And finally, scalability. Bluehost totally covers the basics. If you're a small biz or personal site, you can scale up, just nothing super fancy unless you want to mess with self-managed servers, which, yeah, isn't for everyone. GoDaddy, though, they go all in. From basic plans up to managed VPS and dedicated servers, the upgrade path is dead easy as you grow and need more juice. So if big scaling's on your roadmap, GoDaddy is your winner. Let's take a quick visual peek, see how these two actually stack up category by category. Bluehost really shines for beginners and value, but GoDaddy flexes where it counts for growth and performance. Alright, verdict time. So Bluehost, it's just perfect for anyone who wants good value, is diving into WordPress, or just wants things simple. GoDaddy honestly is your best friend if you expect to grow fast or want those advanced hosting options. For most small businesses and personal sites, Bluehost is the all-around champ, hands down. If this deep dive helped you out, stick around and hit that follow. We've got plenty more expert face-offs coming for all your tech decisions.